welcome to Sonlicious. My name is Sonia Gupta. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and liking my video recipes. If you want to get update for my upcoming recipes, then don't miss to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Many of you have written back to me for asking the video recipe of burger bun. So today we're going to make stuffed aloo tikki burger bun. For this recipe, I'm going to use whole wheat, wheat bran and flaxseed powder. Let's move to the recipe. For this recipe, we need wheat flour, wheat bran, fresh yeast, honey, lukewarm water, grilled patties, cheese slices, flaxseed powder, sesame seeds, salt, oil and burger mayonnaise. First of all, in a bowl, we'll take fresh yeast, one teaspoon of honey, (100 ml) of lukewarm water. Mix it well. Let it rest for at least 10 minutes or until our yeast froths. In a bowl, take flaxseed powder, 2 tablespoons of lukewarm water, dissolve it, and let it rest for 5 minutes. Let's take a bowl. Take 2 tablespoons of wheat bran. We will add wheat flour, salt, add activated yeast solution to it. Mix everything. Start kneading the dough, adding water, Now we will rest this dough in a bowl. We'll grease this bowl. and let it rest for at least 30 to 40 minutes or until dough doubles in volume. It's been 30 minutes. Now our dough is almost double in volume. Now dust the surface. Take this dough out. And divide it into 4 equal parts. Roll each part. Similarly, we will shape all the dough balls. Now, brush these burgers with milk. Sprinkle some sesame seeds. Now, let these burger buns rest for at least 20 minutes. Then we will bake these burger buns in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of baking, our whole wheat Aloo Tikki burger buns are ready. Now let's cut these burger buns and check the texture. These are looking extremely delicious and soft. So friends, today we have baked whole wheat Aloo Tikki burger buns. If you liked my video recipe, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Thank you.